My friend, we will start in tasks and its relation. First of all, open blank project. Here we have task A and task B and task C and task D. Okay. The duration for this task, if I write 1 and just enter, this is mean 1 day. If I write 2 and just enter, this is mean 2 days. If I write 3 and just enter, this is mean 3 days. If I write 4 and just enter, this is mean 4 days, because the default is days here. Okay, we use the standard calendar now. We never change anything because we just open new project and will not assign any new calendar as we learned it in the previous session. If I can say this is 1 day, I will say it will start it at 20 of this month. Okay, and I can say this will be started at 21 of this month, and I can say this will be started at 22, for example, and whatever. I can say this will be started at 20 in the same month. Okay, we have now relation, we have duration, we have each task independent without any relation between these tasks. So let's speak about tasks relation. First of all, this is a start to finish task. What is the meaning? If this task B and this is task A, so the meaning of this, task B will not be started just only in the case of task A it's finished, and second relation is start to start. This is mean task A will be started at the same time task B will started. Third relation, finish to finish, task A will be finished when task B is finished. Also start to finish, this is mean task A will be started when task B is finished. This is the last relation. When we say this is the tasks, it's independent, doesn't have any relation, and I will just select all of this and delete. Okay, and I will say this is 2 days, 2, and this is 3 days, and this is 4 days. Okay, I will say this task will be started at 20 and ended at 20, and this task B, it's depending on task A. So in predecessor, I will write 1. 1 is the ID of the task A, so I write 1. Here, as I can see, there is a relation, and this relation is start to finish. Okay, if here I write 2 in predecessor, so this is mean the relation between task C and task B is started to finish. If I write task 3, you can find the complete schedule of the project, and also the graph is arranged automatically. In the predecessor, you can write the ID of the task. Double click on task as I do here, and I found there is general, there is predecessor tab. This ID is ID 1 for the task A. The relation here is start to finish, and I can change this relation here. For example, start to start, and I will press OK. So I found the relation here is changed. And after that, the predecessor here, you can write 1 SS to start to start. For example, you can say 2 and its relation finish to finish. Okay, that's what you find here. Let's write in predecessor 1, 2, 3. Let's assume there is a lag between task E and task B by 1 day. Double click on the task. You can go to predecessor, lag, and write 1 day. Okay, this means task B will start after task A finish by a lag of 1 day. This lag or delay can be in positive or negative. Let's write in predecessor 1 finish to start minus 1 day. This is mean task B will be started before task A is finished with 1 day. Due to delay, the start of task A and task B will be at the same day. Okay, so here we can just double click on task, predecessor, you can write the legs by positive or by negative. This will say 2 days. Okay, here we can say this is weekend days because we use here the default calendar, so the task it will be started at Monday, and this is also calculated by AutoMode. If you wanted to change this, you need to change the calendar as we said before. This is the end of the relation between tasks. See you at the next session. Thank you.